Hello guys, good morning from Portugal. Today I have 10 euro session, low boys session, 3 of 20x and 2 of Birang, means summer. Hola a todos, bom dia, mais um dia de luta, vamos jogar ganhar, ok? Hoje eu tenho o número 6, 7 y 8, 20 veces. Y 44 y 43. Birang. Okay, let's start with 20x, guys. Okay. I'm gonna use Miss Money from Illinois. We're looking for 13 y 12. 23, 27, 24, 19. Oh meu Dios, 20s, a lot of 20s. 14, 12, 13, 14, 29, 15, 31. Of course is a winner. How much? €2, of course. Okay, ticket number 6 is a winner. Okay. We're looking for 14 y 29. 20 ohm. 30 ohm, 32, 24, 30, 26, 28, I need 29, 22, 13, that I needed in the first ticket, it's here, and 12, nada. Okay, ticket number 7, it's nothing. How about ticket number 8? We're looking for 11 y 13. Low numbers all the time. 27, 32, 18, 22, 14, 15, 29, 39, 28 y... Sure. Okay. Nada. Okay, let's go to summer tickets. Okay, outside Portugal, how to win in this ticket? We're looking for higher than the given temperature. Birang means summer, guys. Okay, so the given numbers is the given temperature is 43, must be higher than 43 to win. 17, 34, 20 ohm grounds, 40 ohm. 20 ohm must be higher, guys, must be higher than 43. 22, 18, 16 y nada. Okay, so this is not the winner. How about 44? Okay, you're gonna use M2M. Maybe save my session. Higher than 39. 25 graus. 29. 17, 24, 20 ohm, 38, almost, 29, 27, 23, 37 y nada. Oh meu Dios. Okay, so there's no win. I got only €2 out of 10 euro session, guys. It's terrible result. Okay, I have €2 out of 10. Okay, bye, have a nice day, ciao, thank you for watching, obrigada a todos, ciao.